Yes, Studio Ghibli, the legendary animation studio that brought us magical forests, flying castles, memes referenced in their movies. Wait, did this one comes from an AI? And now, the internet is on fire because AI art is trying to wear Ghibli's face like a Halloween costume. But all hope isn't lost, because in this video, I'll explain why AI can't replace Studio Ghibli. But first, what is the controversy? In fact, it all started when people began posting Ghibli-style AI images everywhere. Instagram, Pinterest. Look at this stunning Ghibli scene I made, they said. But they didn't make it. They typed a few words into an AI tool and boom! Instant Ghibli ripoff. But here's the real issue. These images are made by AI models trained on real Ghibli art without permission, without paying anyone, without credit. Miyazaki, the creator of Studio Ghibli, tried all his life to improve his designs and create his unique style. But now we can see a ton of robots creating pictures with his style. That's not inspiration, and I don't know how you call this, but I call it stealing. However, they can't replace this beloved studio. AI can copy Ghibli's visual style, soft colors, round characters, detailed nature. But Ghibli's strength isn't just how it looks, it's the way the images communicate human emotions. Miyazaki draws inspiration from personal grief, war, family, childhood, and nature. AI has no memory, no childhood, no sadness, it has no emotions. You can't recreate a movie like Grave of the Fireflies or Totoro without understanding loss or joy. Also, Ghibli often use intentional empty space to let moment breathe. AI can't understand pacing or emotional rhythm. It doesn't know when to hold a moment or when to let silence speak louder than words. Even if AI art is often technically perfect, human mistakes in animation is what makes it feel more relatable. You feel a human hand in Ghibli. You feel a cold robot hand in AI. AI reflects whatever gets the most clicks. It's trained on mass data. It can't develop or defend a point of view. And for all these reasons, Studio Ghibli is irreplaceable. Studio Ghibli reminds us to slow down, to wonder, to feel like a kid again. AI might copy the look, but it can't copy the soul. Because the soul, that comes from real people telling real stories. So no, AI, you can't replace Ghibli. You can't fake the magic, but you'll never feel it. And honestly, that's what makes all the difference. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe so we can reach 2000 subscribers.